expand 3 minus 2x to the power of 5 in ascending powers of x. What we're going to do, we're going to expand this using the Pascal's triangle and the binomial theorem. So if you write out the first few lines of Pascal's triangle, get 1, 1. The next line becomes 1, 2, 1. You get that by doing 1 plus 1 to get 2. Here you get 3 by doing 1 plus 2 to 3. 2 plus 1 is 3. So the next line will be 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. 1 plus 3 is 4. 3 plus 3 is 6. 3 plus 1 is 4. And then the next line will be 1, 5, 10, 5, 1. We stop there because we've got the line that we really need. 1, 5, 10, 10, 5, 1. So expanding 3 minus 2x to the 5 will be 1 times 3 to the power of 5. We don't bother writing the 1 in, but notice I put it in brackets. The next one will be 5, the coefficient, times 3 times minus 2x in brackets. It's very, very important to use brackets. Notice here that 4 and to the power 1, which we haven't written in, does add up to 5. The next one will be 10, 3 to cubed times minus 2x squared, plus 10 times 3 squared times minus 2x cubed, plus 5 times 3 times minus 2 to the 4, plus minus 2x to the power of 5. So just a few things to notice. Okay, the powers of x are ascending. Okay, here we have x to 0, so that's 1, so we don't write it in. So we've got x, this will be x squared. Notice it's important to write it in brackets, particularly it's negative, because here this term will be negative, but this term here will be positive, because when you square the minus 2, it becomes 4 plus 4. This term will be negative, this term will be positive, and this will be negative. Right, the final step would be to take your calculator out and just work them out, and just write them as with in brackets, or just write the brackets on your calculator. So we're going to have 243 minus 810, so that's 5 times 3 to the 4 times minus 2, so the term is negative. Here we do 10 times 3 cubed times minus 2 squared. Okay, here we do 10 times 3 squared times minus 2 cubed. Notice the term is negative. And then we're going to do 5 times 3 times minus 2 to the power of 4, plus minus 2x to the power of 5, so it'll be minus 32x to the power of 5. So there we've expanded this using Pascal's triangle and the binomial theorem. Now, the slight problem with using this triangle, what happens if this power here is very high? Do we really want to write out all the terms of Pascal's triangle? And you can see that in another video. Okay, so this has been a video to show you how to expand 3 minus 2x to the power of 5 in ascending powers of x using the binomial theorem and Pascal's triangle. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.